Hello, this is Fred, and this is week 8 scenarios. We are going to do maintenance planning, and we're going to choose the differential choice for scenario 2. And the highlights for scenario 1 are we have to implement these tasks in the plan, check the database integrity, rebuild index, reorganize indexes, and update statistics. We're going to do a full backup and clean up the history optional. So let me take you right to the script. So for starters, I went to left click and modify. That gave me this Outlook plan that I implemented previously. And as you can see, this is the name of the maintenance plan. And you can see consistency on the selected database here, which is the Bowling League. In rebuilding index and database, updating statistics and database, then doing a full backup on the default doing a full backup on the default folder. Okay. So yeah, that is for scenario 1. However, let's try and execute it on our C. Let's go and take a look at this. Open in the right with backup. Yeah, the backup to the P. Okay. Destination. Yeah, this is a different location for the backup. So if we are going to execute this maintenance plan, you can do it from here, you can run it from here. However, I scheduled a daily maintenance plan that will run at midnight every day. However, you can still execute it without waiting until midnight. We can run it from here. However, the job is also created automatically here. So we can run from either of the two. I experienced a lot of challenges, despite it being the easiest task. Yes, from the assignments given throughout the course semester. It's simple, and I don't know why it's in training. I think it's just I think it's a system issue that I'll need to look into, and when I get time, I'll go and look through and fix it. Yeah. So if you want to view this error, you can go to view history here, and you can find details of which step failed and why. There's no information on that. So we can either choose to run it from the server agent section, which is this. So we can start the job. The secretary, which has already been the error there. So we can still view the history to check how the error was implemented, what errors, boxes. So we can expand this and we see that the error that we are seeing here is that execution possibility 6-bit. So this is what I really need to look into in detail and see what will happen if I get that time. Started like that. It's giving me that error. It's not a long error. So it's I think we are even first this challenge, first this error before the client shall not support it error. So try to fidget and all that, but I think I need more time with it. That was for scenario 1. So for scenario 2, I thought of I looked at this data systems and I thought, This is really critical. The databases, not only that some, all these databases have different them, and it needs to be protected at all costs. And let's say, for example, is an employee who does previous activities, wants to benefit from the company in some weird way, and wants to alter information. So we really need like an automated task that can flag these activities and block these activities in a daily basis. That's what I try to implement here. I looked at the entertainment agency database, the table. I looked at the engagements table. I really felt that this is a this is a this is a very important sensitive database. So we need to protect it and police that table at all costs. Not only that table, I'm just giving an example. And so this is what I implemented, the job that I implemented. So we're going to take a look at this job. If we go to properties, this is the name of the job that I implemented. The steps are right here. We'll look at the details of this. Step one is we are trying to create a more presentable, like a table that presents this information in a more sensible way that makes sense to the database administrator who can read and review what has been put in there. So we're putting this data in the correct format here. We're dropping, we're dropping if it exists, we need current information to work with. So that's step one. And step two, this is the code that logs the changes. It puts these changes into the table that we created above. And this is the code that tries to police the tables and databases to flag out this suspicious activity. Yeah, so that is step two. Remember, we have three steps. So, first, this is moving it to the next step, which is backing up the database. Remember, this is critical information. If it's altered, you have to be sorry. You have to back up this so that you can resort it back to the old state it was, rather than losing this data. So I implemented that as well. And so that is that. And then on advance of quit is when we really quit all these spaces. We are quitting in success and logging the error off. You yeah. So let's go and implement this and see how it goes. Yeah, so for now, I think I implemented this before. So just to be sure, let's go and stop this. Give me a few minutes, I get this done. Yeah. I thought of showing you live this, this automated task. Let's start this. Make sure this doesn't have some catches. It's like that. So the job is also active there. So I think I'll first try to restore task. Let's try and restore this back first, right? Because I already did it. So okay. So let's go to device. Have the database here. I'll pick this. Make sure override whatever is inside there. Okay. So run this. That has been quite successfully. Yeah. So first we'll make sure we have everything right. I go to security and create a schema for that. Audit, custom audit, custom audit schema. Has to be there. That's what that is. So first create that. It's been created. Refresh that. Yeah. So we'll try and simulate these activities. Yeah, we'll try and simulate it. Here's our plan. Here we go. Go there. Start with 7. We just started. So you can go and execute this. This has been scheduled daily. So let's first go and execute this and see. Okay, done as expected. So let's go and simulate this activity. Let's try. For example, we have that big contract price that we have, and let's try and simulate that. And let's say there's an employee who wants to make commission from the company and wants to try and do some diverse activity here. So we'll try and let's say we are going to perform an update there. I'll run this. So if I go and check the log right now, we can see that it flags this activity so that it flags this activity and puts it in the audit, in the custom audit table for the database administrator to review it. And this is it. This is the old contract price, and this is what was that's the employee was trying to do, or someone who doesn't wish to work for the company, and the access status is denied. So that was it for this week. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Bye.